Alright guys, welcome to this section. On this section we'll be learning about web design. So we already know about website. When we hear about website, we already know what it means about website. It means like having a, let me say, your business or your services or whatever you are doing hosted online so that people can access it from any part of the world. So two basic things that you need to understand about website is domain name and hosting. So I'll be explaining them. Hosting, so now what is domain name? Let's look at what Google is telling us about domain name. It's saying a domain name is an identification string that defines a realm of administrative autonomy, authority, or control within the internet. Domain names are used in various scientific contexts. So just this way, this will rather complicate things if you really want to get what a domain name is with that language. So it's more like the address of your website. That is what domain name is. Like if I'm coming to your house, I will ask for your address. You give me your address, I will through that address and get to your site. I will have .com, .org, .net, .uk, .com, .ng, .gov, So now you need to have a domain name for your website, and you can actually pay for this, just like registering your business. Then what is web hosting? Web hosting is like, say, it's a type of internet hosting service that hosts your website for clients. Take for instance, you have a plot of land and someone wants to build on your land. You are the host. You are hosting someone, so the person is actually considering your land as a host for his or her house. So the house is more like the website, the land is the host, then the address to the house is the domain name. So these are the three different things you need to understand. A domain name giving access to a website that is being hosted on a hosting plan or company. So we can't actually host on our own because we don't have all that require of us to do that. So we'll be getting access to this. We have to pay for these plans. One of my major this thing is what's it called, hosting. I think there is a hosting here. There's HostGator here. There is Bluehost. You can see Bluehost is here. There is Namecheap. We have Namecheap. We have a whole lot of them. So you can get to use anyone you want, but we are going to use a particular one for this very class. If you are from Nigeria, and it's cheap, and I'm using this because it's cheap, it's affordable by anyone. You can actually get a site hosted with 1,500, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. But out of the Namecheap that I've been using, I paid up to about 15k. So I wouldn't want to go into that, so that some persons that may not have the funds to actually complain that they are not benefiting. So that was why I decided to go with these quick savers. So we are going to get our hosting and our domain name from this hosting company called Q Servers. So I hope you already digest the meaning of domain. That is domain name, hosting company, and have a website. So ensure you have your email registered, you have your card, or a way you can get access to you can make your payment actually. So on the next video I'll be doing that. This is more like an introductory video trying to explain what this is all about.